Regular home maintenance is like investing a little today to save a lot tomorrow. If you're wondering what to focus on, here's the seasonal maintenance items you must do. This will save you thousands of dollars each year and boost your home's value tremendously. First, spring. This season is all about renewal and preparation. Rake up leaves and lay down mulch in flower beds. Reseed bold patches in the lawn and plant perennials. And consider fertilizing the lawn later in the season. And don't forget to open sprinkler system. Give the house a thorough exterior cleaning. Clean and inspect your patio or deck. Inspect for cracks on driveway and see if there are any loose shingles. And clean and inspect gutters, addressing any clogs or damage. And open and treat your pool for summer if you have a pool. Schedule HVAC system servicing before using air conditioner during summer. HVAC means heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Summer is about maintaining and enjoying what you prepare in spring. Maintain your garden and keep tidy. You usually use a sprinkler system from April to November and almost same period for cutting grass once a week. Adjust ceiling fans for cooling. Address pest control issues such as spraying bug repellent on the yard. Fall is time to prepare for winter. It's a great time to plant perennial trees, shrubs, and bulbs. Rake leaves and consider alternatives like mulching. Clean gutters, repair if necessary, and shut off and drain outdoor faucets. And close the sprinkler system for winter. You gotta blow out all the water in the pipe so it won't freeze during winter. Service your snowblower. Stock up on ice melt and inspect your shovel. And service your HVAC system and change filters. And check water levels in your boiler. Service your generator and keep fuel and oil on hand. And prepare for winter storms when necessary supplies. Winter. Ensure your snowblower is in working order. Stock up on ice melts and inspect your shovel. Check your emergency supply kit. And check on neighbors who may need assistance during storms. Not every year, but you should also keep in mind, every 2-3 years, ensure smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are working, and call for cesspool service if you have cesspool. So there you have it, my friends. If you'd like to know more about other saving tips as a homeowner, I have another video for you. We get calls and emails every day of people just like you looking for help of buying and selling in New York, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're buying in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you to make a smooth move to New York.